It's Virginia's Elite Solar Realtor. It's your boy Dean. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Real Estate. Behind me, I have a property that was acquired by one of my investor acquaintances, and I'm gonna do a little twist on the videos we normally do. This property is gonna be rehabbed and resold, and I want you guys to see the before and after how these things look, because a lot of people ask about these but really don't know the condition of the properties that they can be getting into. So I'm using some new equipment, so bear with me. I got this camera kind of all jacked up here, and I want you to kind of see how this works, and this is gonna be an experience, so let's go. All right, guys, so this property, actually, I don't think it's been lived in for quite a while, so y'all kind of seeing this straight from the beginning. I don't even think the electricity is currently on, so y'all seeing how it looks when you first actually purchase a rehab property or rehabitable property. So let me see if I can kind of tweak this footage for you here. Again, I'm using new equipment, so bear with me. This would be a living room area here. It smells kind of funny in here, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Sorry for the lighting, but we rolling with what we got here. This would be a den type area here. Take you to the living areas here. We got older carpet. We got rooms that need to be painted. Got doors off hinges, as you can see here. That was one bedroom there. We got potential with this bathroom here. These will all be redone. This would be the main bedroom here. I know the camera's kind of funky, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm trying to learn this new stuff. Gotta grow, right? We gotta get uncomfortable to grow. Got this bedroom here, pretty nice sized bedroom. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. Let's keep going around here. We got another bedroom right here that we didn't see. Another bedroom right here. Again, we got doors off hinges. Just spin this back around this way. Let's go through here, through that den I was telling you guys about earlier. Gonna make our way to this kitchen here. This will be a dining room right here, which connects to that same living room when you first entered. Kitchen would sit right here. I'm curious to see what they're gonna do with this wall right here. I wouldn't be surprised if this wall is gone the next time we come back in here. So, we have a laundry room or a mud room, whatever you wanna call it. Access to a one-car garage over here. To take you guys out back here. Oh, sorry. As far as the backyard goes, nice size lot. I don't know what's going on right here. I don't know if this was a makeshift deck. Got a whole bunch of fence issues here. Fences down, come around, fences down. And that kind of concludes what it is. So again, thanks for watching the video. This is part one of a flip series I'm gonna start where you guys see the before and after of the properties that are acquired in the Hampton Roads. If y'all could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to the next video. Gone.